Hey guys, back again. Got another Wish app find. Got these little scissors on a key ring. Pretty small, you can see. Only about 2 inches. But you can see here it's got the key ring, and that's actually the pin that keeps it closed. So we'll pull the pin out. Springs open, and little scissors. Got a piece of paper here. Let's see. Cuts paper. Fold it here. Let's see how it goes. Uh-oh. Not so much. Well, cut okay. I think the big problem is it's just so small. It's hard to hold. It wants to roll in my hand. So yeah. If you're a little more forceful, it seems to cut better, but not much. Paracord. Don't think it's going to happen. That's scoring it. A little stuck. That's getting there. This is probably really painful to watch. Not really. I'm just going to use a knife to cut it if I need it. Yeah, I mean, it's just hacking away. You can get through it eventually, I'm sure. I actually kind of want to now, just to, I don't want it to beat me. Oh well, it beat me. Then you've got to squeeze them to put the pin back in to hold it. There it is. So little 2-inch scissors. Be probably nice for a sewing kit. Definitely wouldn't rely on these for any kind of survival. Probably wouldn't even cut a shirt, but I guess you could sharpen them. It's a neat little piece, but not very handy, not very useful. So there is these little miniature scissors, 2 inches long. They look cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.